Hi, welcome to see this beautiful bungalow, which is not just a property, but it's a lifestyle where elegance meets comfort. It's a beautiful bungalow located in the heart of Mumbai. If you are looking for privacy and if you're looking for something that's close to nature and it is spacious in Mumbai, so this is the property that you should go for. This is the house you should look. So come with me and experience this beautiful house and see your dream coming into reality with this beautiful house. So come with me. Yeah, this is the beautiful L sit-out area. You can see it goes to there, and that door over there, there's a sit-out area again, which I'll show you. It is connected to the hall. Now, let's go out where we'll see the garden area outside where nature meets elegance. It's so beautiful. Just have a look. So there's a huge dining area over here with a lovely dining table and the crockery unit. So it's quite spacious, and here is the kitchen. Kitchen is fully functional and it's quite huge and spacious. So come with me for the living area. It's a huge living area with the beautiful sitting and lovely jhula. I'm just loving the jhulas over here. And there's one more sitting that's sitting outside. So let's go out. And again, we have two lovely jhulas over here too. And sitting area. And there are multiple storage options over here. So it is quite spacious and you can use it in different ways. Just see this. So here there are two more bedrooms. We are not opening these because there are people sleeping inside. There's one washroom over here which has a bathtub. And come with me for another place. Here there's a small hall, but it's so beautifully made, a nice sitting area. Just see this with the TV. And here again there are two attached bathrooms and two bedrooms with two attached bathrooms. And there's a mini kitchen over here. It's really well made. Just look at it. These two bedrooms. Again, this bedroom is closed because the kids are sleeping inside. Let's come to this bedroom. It's so beautifully made. Just see. Everything is so well coordinated. And the best part, there is again a terrace outside. Just come with me for this beautiful terrace. It has lovely plants and beautiful birds out there. It's so beautiful. It feels so close to nature. And I'm just loving it. Come on, let's go out. We have a washroom again over here outside. It's really well made. You can just have a look. So now let's see this place. This was a theatre room before. They had a black curtain all over this place. And now this is open space. It can be used for different purposes. You can open the windows, you can do your workouts over here, you can keep a storage, you can make a kids play area. There are so many different things that can be done in this space. See, it's so spacious and beautiful. And the sunlight, it's amazing. You must see. There's a mini terrace also over here, which can be used for different purposes. You can use it in different ways, and there are solar panels out to save your electricity bills.